So in this question, what we have is we have the load and the distance how it traveled, and the power input of the crane is given, and the efficiency also given. So what we have to find is calculate the time taken for the crane to lift the load. Okay, so whenever we are doing at first, so let's map up the information that we have by now. So let me put it here. Okay, first of all, let's see, how much useful work that was done. So we can say useful work done. We know to get the work done, we can easily do it with F times delta X. So the F is going to be 3400 newtons times it by how far it went was 26 meters. So what we have is we have the work for, the useful work has 88,400 joule. So this is our work, useful work done. So which is, the goes into moving the car forward against the whatever the resistive forces that there are. Now let's see what is our input. So for that only they have given us the efficiency. We know efficiency equation. In the efficiency we can take it, how is it coming, is useful energy output divided by total energy input. You can, if it's a percentage value, you can do the times it by 2, but it's a 0.38 number. So what we have is efficiency 0.38 equals, this was our useful amount, which 88,400 joule. So we don't know the input energy, so I'll keep it just as E input, just to make our life easy. So we can get the energy input, which is 88,400 joule divided by 0.38. So that would give us the value, which is 233,000 joule. So this is our energy input. So then now we have the energy, and the only thing that missing for now is the time taken. Okay, that's the last part of the question. So we know the another equation is power, which is P equals maybe the energy of work done divided by time taken. So we know work done is this amount, so we need just know the time. So I'll subtract the T for now, which is W divided by T, where you have T equals W is going to be the work done, which is 233,000 joule divided by power. Power of this machine is 5.7 kilowatt. So we know it's going to be 5.7 into 10 to the power 3 watt. You're going to get T as 40.9 seconds. Our final answer is, they didn't ask us to estimate it for anywhere else, so we can just put our answer as 40.9 seconds. This is how the question 12 is completed, where you can get all 4 marks.